Bam, bam, bam. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Whoa. Friends, there are many kinds of eggs in the world. Some fish eggs are so tiny you need a magnifying glass to see them. There are ant, butterflies, and other insect eggs too. Also bird eggs, whose hard shells offer protection, and reptile eggs. They come in different sizes, colors, and patterns. Dani, do you know why we come in different colors and patterns? I'm not sure. I take after my parents, so is it because you take after yours? No. Our lives aren't that easy breezy. It's camouflaging to keep us from getting eaten by predators. Oh, I see. So, do your parents paint you when you're in your mom's belly? Dani, is that the best you can come up with? No, but I've looked like this since I was in my mom's belly. But some of you are elongated while others are round. Why do you come in different shapes? I'll tell you why. First, roll an egg. Roll an egg? Won't it get dizzy? Ooh. Wow! Now roll a ping pong ball. I'll roll a ping pong ball, which looks like an egg. Shoot! Oh, it's rolling away! Wow! See? The rounder ping pong ball rolls more easily. Sea turtles' eggs are round because they're unlikely to roll away. You're right. How cool. I'll roll them some more. Roll. Dani, enough. The eggs will get dizzy. Then I'll stand it upright so that it doesn't get dizzy. But why is it so hard to get an egg to stand? I should be able to make a raw egg stand if I shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Zip. Ta-da! Oh, it didn't work. Oh, I know what to do. Ta-da! I did it! Dani magic! What is this? I'll taste it. What is this? It's salty. You use salt, Dani. But Dani, did you know that we're very strong? Really? Eggs are strong? Let's see then. I will. Oh? Wow! Why is it so strong? I squeeze it hard from the top and bottom, but it didn't crack. Wow, it's really strong. Then, I'll squeeze it with my palm. Wow! It didn't crack, even with both hands. Whoa, eggshells must be a lot stronger than I thought. Of course we are. We can hold you up too. What? No way. No matter how strong you are, you can't support me. If you don't believe me, try it. Really? Since they say eggs are really strong, I'll try stacking books on them. Now, I'll place 4 eggs like this. I'll use another 4 rolls of tape to create a flat surface for the books. Then, I'll place a book on top. 1 book. How many books can an egg hold up? Do it with me, everyone. This is a thick book. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far, so good. Let's stack some more books. Ha. Cha. Yeah. 15 books. Wow, eggs, you're very strong. 6 more. 21 books! Wow! Ooh! More books! 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Wow! They're fine even with 30 books on top!
See, we can hold up more than 100 bucks.
What? 100? Does that mean...
I bet we could hold you up too.
Whoa, really?
Try it if you don't believe us.
Okay. Hit this video on pause and go get some eggs from the fridge. Mom and dads, help your children with the experiment. Okay, show me how strong you are. Will I be able to succeed? This is nerve-wracking. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh! Oh, sorry, eggs. Again. First attempt was a failure. Now, second attempt. Oh, I'm a little scared. Will I succeed this time? Oh, I cracked them again. Oh, failure. Oh. I think I need more than 4 eggs. This time, I'll try walking on trays of eggs. Sorry, eggs. Ta-da! Now, I'll try walking on 90 eggs on 3 trays. Oh, will I make it this time? Eggs, please be strong. Friends, I'm so nervous. Here I go. Wow! Oh my! I made it! Wow! I only cracked 1. Wow, how amazing! One more time. The eggs must be stronger together. Ta-da! Wow! Dani's show! Wow! Wow, they're so strong. Miss Chicken, how in the world do you lay eggs that are this strong?
Our eggs are nothing compared to ostrich eggs. Their eggs are super strong. They don't crack easily even with a hammer.
Ostrich eggs? Oh, wow, ostrich eggs are that strong? Wow, for reals. Oh, did you hear that? Wow, this shell is like something from out of this world. Why is it so strong? How do I crack an ostrich egg? I doubt it can be tapped to crack like a chicken egg. Let me try cracking it with a hammer. Oink. Tap, tap, tap.
Who's there? I was sleeping.
Aw, sorry, ostrich egg.
That won't do. You need a huge hammer to crack me open.
I do?
I'm 30 times bigger than a chicken egg. So my shell is thicker too. Even lions have given up on trying to eat me.
Wow, you're way stronger than I expected. I won't be able to crack you open with this. I give up.